Hi everyone, welcome to Vuzzare, and in this video we will learn some programs of string and string buffer in Java. So our first program is string s1 is equal to, and we have given the string literal as Vuzare, and then we have given 5 plus 5. So this 5 and 5, both the 5 are treated as string here, or you can say character here, and the value will be printed as Vuzare 55. And in the second case, string s2, we have Vuzare and we have given in the bracket 5 plus 5. So in this case this will be treated as integer. So in the first one it will be 5 is character, and in the second one 5 is integer. So in this case it will be Vuzare 10. So if we try to run it, we will find the value. So as you can see, in the first one the output is Vuzare 55, and in the second one it is Vuzare 10. So this was our first program. Now we will see second program. So in this, what we do is we make char ch inside main, and we give character by character, that is Java JAVA, and then we do string s is equal to new string, and we give the value from where we have to take, which is ch, and 2 is the offset and 2 is count, and then we do string s1 and we make empty string and then give the value 2022. So in this case we will print s1 and then we will print s and s1. So let's try to see the output now. So we had given the value as Java. So what it has done is it has copied Java from the char ch, but it has taken only two values after from the value index number 2 till the two characters, which is Java VA, and from the second one we have created an empty string, and inside we have passed the value 2022. So this is a character here. Now we will see our third program, and in this we will try to learn the use of char at and length. So we write char ch and string s1 is equal to vuzar, and then we write println string is, so we print the string. Then we do ch is equal to s1 dot char at 0. So at the index 0, whatever character is present, it will ch will store the value of that character, and then we print character at index 0, and the next one we do is length. We try to find the length of s1, so we write int len is equal to s1 dot length, and we print the length of the string. So the string is vuzar and character at index 0 is v, and length of the string is 7. So this was our third program, and now we will see our fourth program. So what it does is string s1 is equal to Java, so all the letters are in uppercase here, and in the second one we have string s2, which is exactly similar to s1, and in s3 we have Java in lowercase. So we will try to use the method called equals, this equals, and we will try to find out whether the strings are equal or not. So we will write system.out.println and s1 equals s2, and we have used this method s1 dot equals s2. So this should give us the value whether the two strings are equal or not. And similarly in the second one we have s1 equals s3, and now here the value we pass here will be of s3, s1 dot equals s3. And we have one more method which is equals ignore case. So in this case it will ignore the case of the alphabet. So we do s1 equals s2, no, it should be s1 equals s3. So in this case s1 dot equals ignore case s3. So this should be true in the first case. In the second one it should be false because the case of the letters did not match, but in the third one it should be true again because we have ignored the case here. So we will try to run the program. So see, we have Java equals Java, this is true. We have Java equals small Java, this is false. But when we have ignored But in the third one where we have used ignore case, so it is printing Java, capital Java is equal to small java. So this is giving us the value true. So this was our fourth program, and now we will see our fifth program, which is use of equals and double equal to. So what we will do is we will make a boolean b, and it's not needed, so boolean b is not necessary here. We write string s1 which is equal to capital JAVA, and we have a string s2 which is equal to similar to s1. So we will try to prove that both the strings are equal in this case. Now we will write string s3 which is equal to Java, where we have J capital and other letters are small. And now here we have used new string, and the value passed is Java, and string s5 which is very similar to s4, but we will try to print the values using equals and equal to both. So let's try to see for the first one. So when we try to see for the first one, it is s1 equals s2, and here we have used equals, s1 dot equals s2, and in the second line we have used double equal to. So let's try to find out the values, what will be the value in both the lines. So what we see is in the first one both the values are true. Now we will see for the second one. So what we will do is write here true, and also here we write true. Now in the second one we will try to run it and find what is the value, true or false. So we write s1 dot equals s2 and s1 double equal to s2, and try to find what the value it comes out to be. So let's see, Java equals, in this case it returns false, and where we have used double equal to, it has shown the value false. So in both the cases the value is false. Why is it showing value for, oh, I've written wrong. I didn't see the line, so this will be true and this will be, so both will be true. And in this case where we have s1 dot equals s3, we have the value false because the cases do not match, and where we have s1 equals to s3 double equal to, then also it shows false. And now here we use s1 dot equals s4, so s1 and s4 are similar, like capital Java, and this is also capital Java, but here we have used new. So let's see what happens when we use new. So when we use s1 dot equals s4, in this case it shows true, but in the second one it shows false, where we have used double equal to. So in case of double equal to, it will show false because the values are stored at different positions. So here we have used new, so it will show the value as false. And in case of s4 and s5 the values are same, but for once we will use dot equals, and the other time we have used double equal to. So in this case also the first one is true and the second one is false. So this is the output for the program. So I hope you understood it, and we have one more program which is sixth one. So in this what we do is string s1 is equal to Java, string s2 is equal to Java capital, and s3 is equal to Java small, and we have s1 compared to s2. So when we have s1 s2 compared, the value will be 0 because so what happens in comparison, we just go letter by letter, means character by character, and then whatever the difference between the character is, we print it. So we go by the ASCII values, like for Java whatever be, for J whatever be the ASCII value for capital J, it will be printed, and then whatever be the ASCII value for small j, it will be subtracted from the first one, and if there is a difference, then the difference will be printed. Like suppose in the first one both have the value capital J and capital J, so in this case the difference will be 0, and in the second one we have capital J and we have a small j, so we know the difference is of 32 characters in the ASCII chart, so the difference will be printed here in the second case, s1 dot compare to s3. So we will try to run the program and see in the first one where we have compared, the values are same, so it has printed value 0, and in the second one it has returned value minus 32. S1 dot compare to S3 is minus 32 because this comes first, and so the difference in the values is minus 32. Suppose its value is 65 plus 10 75, and its value will be somewhere 97 plus 10 somewhere like 107, something like that. So it will just subtract the values and return the whatever will be the difference. And we have one more program which is string on string, which is program number 7. Here we do character ch is equal to new char, which is of size 4, and we print string s1 is equal to Java is a programming language, and we do get chars. So s1 dot get chars begin with 0, string end 4 ch, and destination begin is equal to 0. And we make another string s2 where we pass the values from s1, and we write print value of source, which is s1, and then target print ch. So both will give us the same value, and we have s1 and here we do s2, so both will give us the same value. And here we try to find a substring. So what we do is string sub is equal to s1 dot substring, and value is 5, and then what we do is system dot out println substring after 5, so the value is printed 5. And we have a string sub2 is equal to s1 dot substring 0 to 10, so the characters will be taken from index 0 to 10, and in this case the character will be taken from the index 5, and substring from 0 to 10, and we print the substring. And we have another, we have used index of, so this is the index of method, and we try to find the index of letter p, so it prints s1 dot index of p. And we have index of is, so we write s1 dot index of is. And suppose we try to print the values, run the program and see the output. So the output is something like this. First one, we have Java is a programming language, and we write target Java. So what we did here was copy the characters of 4 letters, up to 4 letters in ch. So it was copied, and now here we have moved into the string s2, so it's also giving the same value. Then we have substring after 5, so which is Java is a programming language. So when we remove Java, it just removes Java up to index 5 and returns the value after index 5. And we have substring from 0 to 10, so it will give us the substring from the index 0 to 10, which is from here is a Java is a, and we have index of p, so index of p is 10, so it returns value 10, and index of is 5, so it returns the value 5. So I hope you understood the program. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.